The goal of this short video is to just show you how to get a super cool exponential graph like that to appear in your photos so that you can easily put it into a presentation. First, you're going to navigate on over to your favorite browser. I personally like Safari. And you're going to go to desmos.com/calculator. That website address is right at the top. And what you're going to see is a beautiful graphing calculator appear on your screen. This is free. Anybody can use it. I'm going to go ahead and just pull up a couple of quick data points here on my laptop so that I can enter a nice equation into this particular screen. So I'm going to go ahead. You see my cursor blinking in the window there. That's where you enter your equation, and it'll be y equals. And then I'm going to use, as an a value in this exponential equation I'm about to type in, I'm going to use 290. And since our exponential equations in this project have a base of e, to get that e, I'm going to go into functions. And I'm going to go ahead and go into miscellaneous functions. And I need the exp, that stands for exponential functions. And if I just backspace a bit, I get that e to appear in the window there. And I'm going to raise that e. I'm going to give it an exponent. I'm going to raise that e to the power of 0.0462, oops, sorry, 0.0462 x. And I'll close that parentheses there. And then initially you might be a little startled because you're like, wait, I don't see a graph. But if you just pinch the graph a bit, you will see your graph start to appear in your window. Because as we've said multiple times, life does not appear in Zoom Standard. So what you can even see if you go ahead and put your finger on it, and you can just kind of scroll along your graph there. There's my y-intercept, 0 to 90. And it's nice because you can identify all sorts of points if you want them. And I'm just kind of playing around with the graph right now. And I just wanted to go ahead and show you that if you pinch this way, we can get our x values to get a little more zoomed in. But you can also compress just by squeezing down the y-axis. You can sandwich some things in there too. So you do have some ways to skew your graph. I'm stretching it out right now by changing my y-axis. I can change my x-axis by pinching just the x-axis. But when you get something you're super happy with, and it kind of displays the story you want to tell me, you just click the share button in the top right-hand corner, and you export the image. And it'll generate a thumbnail of the graph that you would like to save. And it gives you instructions in the blue box that would be great if you were working on a laptop or a desktop machine. But we, however, have to save this to our photos. So you're just going to put your finger on that graph and hold it, and then that Save Image button pops up there. And you can save that image, and then that image, you'll see, will appear in your photos. Ta-da! And then you could share that to your drive, or you could cut and paste, or you have a lot of options with what to do with that image from there. So I hope that